सो कितलो टायम लागतलो हें सगळें मोडपाक आनी तुमकां दिसता आतां दोन दीस स्कूल बंद आसतले सॅटर्डे एंड संडे सो तुमकां 2 दिसाचो टायम आसा हें जातलें 2 दिसान खबर
2 दिसांनी
कशें हें करतले तुमी कितें
ऑलरेडी
करतले
आमी हायड्रा हाडलेले आसा सो फाल्यां आमची आनी एक व्हडले हायड्रा येतले आयज की ऑलरेडी आमची 10-12 लेबर ऑलरेडी लागलेले आसा सेटलमेंट मीन्स ते ऑल ट्रेन आसा सो आतां आमी ऑलरेडी ते सायडीक लेफ्ट हँड सायड आमी सगळें डेमोलेशन कटिंग करपाक आमी स्टार्ट केलेले आसा सो इशू कांय ना 2 दिसान जातले
सो हे 2 दिसान
म्हणजे क्लियर जातले
सोमार म्हणजे सगळें क्लियर
ओके
सो कितें आसा कितलो खर्च एक्सपेक्ट केला
तर तसा कितें आहा एक्झॅक्ट आमी सांगूंक शकना जशें काम जातलें तेज्या उपरांत आमी सांगूंक शकना
सो हेका हायड आसा सो वयले तुमी कशें क्रेनीन सकयल
ट्रेनीन देंवय अप टू लेट 8 o'clock पर्यंत काम करपाक आमी ट्राय करता जाता इतले बेगीन कित्याक भुरग्यांक ऑलरेडी दिल्ले आसा फाल्यां मंडे भुरग्यांक परतून सुटी दिवंक जायना म्हणून आमी ट्राय करता की तेल्यान बेस्ट
फाल्यां फूल डे जालो आसतलो सकाळी
फाल्यां फूल डे चलता
सो मागीर थिंगा ट्रॅफिक दवरून ते रोड ब्लॉक करून
सो हे सगळें डिमॉलिशन करपाचें काम आनी कशें आसलें डे नायट आसतलें या ओन्ली
सो ट्राय टू डे नायट आतां पावसाचे टायम आहा न्हू त्या खातीर आमी ट्राय करता की लेट नायट 8 पर्यंत तरी आमी काम करून मातसो बेगीनचे बेगीन सोंपता
ओके कंपनी
माझं नाव भागीराव पाटील पाटील इन्फ्रा डेव्हलपर्स प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड
ओके या थँक्यू व्हेरी मच
थँक्यू सर
and how much time it will take for
Yeah, so as everyone knows, it's a long pending issue. A lot of people, it took us quite a while to get it done. We had to get a lot of procedure was there to be done. We had to get a stability reports and everything. So now it's finally ready to come down. We've appointed a contractor from the corporation side. What we've told him is now not to cause any inconvenience to the school. Basically, we want all the work to get done by Sunday. Because all the students have their syllabus and everything they need to catch up. So we're trying to get that as rushed as possible. We just want to thank everyone for their patience also. But it's finally coming down. Thank you for it.
what about traffic sir
See, as of that, keep it done.
yeah Chetan tell me about the traffic how you going to divert it
Basically, we have planned to divert the traffic from the traffic which is intending to proceed towards Donapal. We will be diverting from Toka.
yeah
And similarly, traffic coming from Donapal towards Miramar, we will be diverting it at Science Center to other circle and then we can proceed.
how many days it will take
We were hoping by Sunday everything will be done.
Okay.
Latest by Monday.
okay latest by Monday
Latest by Monday.
so it will take 2 days time to clear off
2-3 days.
2-3 days
सो डेमोलिशन खर्च सगळं तुम्ही करता सीसीपी डेमोलिशन सगळं एक्सपेंडिचर म्हणटा
We will be here.
what is will be a cost of this
See, we've issued a tender for around 10 lakhs. Those
10.
details I will give you.
Okay, okay.
So when the scrap is thing, we'll take it onto the truck and we'll need to collect it and put it somewhere.
okay
सो फाल्यां स्कूल आसा न्ही स्कुलाचें
okay there is a principal of Sharda Mandir yeah ma'am
Principal of Sharda Mandir School, Sharmila Umesh. We've been talking to Rohit since quite a few days as well as the traffic guys. And this is a project that we've all been waiting to happen. It's been a problem for us. It's been a white elephant over here and a big risk for our students. None of our students use this because it's too steep and there's a chance of them falling. So we've never allowed our students to go up, and because of traffic etc. it's always been a white elephant over here. So when Rohit came and said we want to demolish it, we said we are very happy. We don't mind giving a holiday to our students so that the work gets over fast. Now they have promised us that they're going to start the work today and that they'll try their best to finish it by Sunday evening. We've already given a holiday to the entire staff tomorrow so that there is no traffic issue tomorrow. Sunday evening we'll take a call again like Rohit has said. Rohit has been our student in Sharda Mandir, so he is for the students.
Yeah.
He wants to give them a holiday on Monday also. But I'm from the teacher's side saying let's see whether we can finish it by Sunday. Worst comes to worst, we'll take a decision on Monday whether we have school or not.
One more issue is there always we are facing the parking problem over here
Correct.
during the school
Correct.
1 o'clock. So any action taken by from
We have already been discussing even on this issue along with the traffic people, and we have got a plan. Our students are going to be a part of this. We have
Especially the
decided to
parents.
make use of our students more than even the parents, because the problem is with many of the parents, let's be honest.
bringing
Yes.
vehicle.
So our students are going to be the policemen those days. We've already got a plan. The children are coming up with a very good presentation and we are going to start.
When it is implemented?
Within the next week or so, they are going to give us the
The
presentation.
students are presenting on the
Yes,
9th.
yes.
If you all could come and show the students some support also, it would be very nice.
Definitely,
So they are presenting it to us. So now the traffic police, we know also have a lot of issues. There are a lot of parents who have a lot of ego who yell at the police. So there are people within our government who do the same thing also.
Okay.
So we want the students to get involved because people tend not to say anything to children also. and they should know that they can have an impact on the city itself.
Okay.
So if you guys could come and show support to them, it would be
Yeah.
very
So
nice.
one more thing, whose idea was this? Government
This was a private party
motivation.
had done, government invested.
Yeah, but CCP funded no for this. CCP.
I was like 12 years old when it was done.
Okay.
18 or something.
Okay. 2012. So for student, anything is there for new idea for subway for this over here?
Not
I
as
think
of
it's
yet,
required. I
I
don't
don't
think
think,
it's required.
Okay.
If we
So
have
there's
the,
not enough length also to do
correct,
something.
correct.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
not
See,
required.
as of now, they can just cross the road. No? It's like so
Okay.
not that bad. The traffic cops are doing a good enough job regulating traffic. They're in safe hands.
Okay.
There's no reason for any.
So basically, this project was a failed and
It was
waste
done
of
through a
money.
Yeah, it is a private party that had done it anyway. They should do it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Yep. Bye. Bye.